Navin, can you share with us what is the value proposition of DRYiCE in teleops?
Sure. So there are challenges that we saw when we were implementing AIOps, right? And we started this journey long back. The challenges for AIOps are essentially around the ability of organizations to get AI and machine learning skills. The other challenge is around understanding what AIOps is. And the third challenge that we have seen is that they are limited or constrained in their approach to AIOps by limiting it to just the event correlation layer, which means if you just limit it to one area of the value stream, you're not doing it end to end, then obviously you're not realizing the full benefits, right? You're just able to do a probable cause analysis or root cause analysis, but what happens later on, right? That's not covered. And then we also saw that there are competing or there are multiple projects or programs running in customers' environments. Someone may be going ahead with a cognitive virtual assistant or a chatbot. Someone may be running an agile ops program. Someone may be running an SRE program, and someone may be running observability platform, and someone may be doing AI ops, and someone else may be doing service management. So what happens is both, I would say, organizationally and architecturally, it becomes a fragmented solution where no one is able to integrate this whole thing together. And the integration of all of these tool sets itself becomes a nightmare, right? And even if you're able to integrate all of them together, then how do you really update, manage, and operate this whole thing, right? Because the skills on AI and machine learning are difficult to get. We all know that. And then the skills to also put in all of these solutions and get value out of them are also a challenge these days. So what IntelliOps brings to the table is a pre-integrated solution which covers the entire value stream of IT operations, right from a service request or right from an interaction over a cognitive virtual assistant where the interaction is generated by a human being to an interaction where an event is generated by a system, all the way to its resolution, and encompassing things like provisioning and deprovisioning, encompassing things like FinOps, and encompassing things even like business process observability. This is a holistic solution where we do end to end. And since this is an end-to-end solution, the customer doesn't need to bother about, cobbling together things and buying products and solutions and trying to define the entire architecture themselves, which I think becomes very, very difficult for organizations to do. The second value prop essentially is that all of this is available in a cloud environment hosted, in a shared environment as well as dedicated. So you are able to consume this from the cloud, while your infrastructure can be in the cloud, or it can be in-premise, or it can be a mix of both, or you can be multi-cloud, doesn't really matter. And when we talk about business process observability, that's a very key differentiator, where we're not limiting AIOps to just the IT operations area, but we're taking it to the business process layer, so that you are able to realize not just services or abstract services, but complete business processes. And the issues may not exist because of infrastructure or applications. The issues may be because the process itself has challenges, or there are human actions that are needed to be done so that the process moves forward to the next step. So those are the areas where we differentiate and add value to the IT operations value stream. And we cover the entire gamut of services, right from where the event starts to where the fulfillment of a service request happens, to all the way to using NLP technologies to cognitive virtual assistants, so that your interaction with machines is not really driven by keyboards and your browser-based applications, but in a natural language you can converse with IT. So that's been the goal for us at DRYiCE and IntelliOps.